Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, your girl brows is snatched. And I'm gonna tell you how I got them like that, okay? Using this 4-in-1 Benefit Brow Contour Pencil, y'all. This is a game changer. And I got it from TJ Maxx, which is like one of my favorite stores. And it was $9.99. I'm sure you can get it at Ulta, y'all. So let's get started. This is how the pen looks. And I feel like I could just take this in my purse with me whenever, you know, my brows need to look a little more snatched, or if I need to touch them up, I would definitely put this in my purse because I have a little makeup bag in my purse. And this has a 4-in-1, y'all. So this is how it looks. It has a lighter shade, a deeper shade, a definer, and a highlight. That's what's included. And y'all, it is so cute. It's just like a pen. Like, you just press it down like a regular pen. But yeah, this is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same steps that I did on this brow to my other brow. And I'm gonna start off using the lighter shade, which is that one. And you just push it down and you can see that little tip right here. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna hold up my brow a little, like I'm not even like pulling it. I'm lightly touching my brow right here, just so I could get a little bit of an arch. And then I'm gonna lightly, I'm not starting in the front, I'm starting like right here in the middle. I'm gonna lightly stroke my brow here. And you don't have to do this hard, y'all, because this comes off really pigmented, which I really love. So you don't have to use a lot of this. As you can see, it's already starting to get full. I was like one of those people, every time you go to like a makeup artist and they do your makeup and they like, you need to come with your eyebrows waxed or arched. And I'm just like, sis, I don't need to do that. But today, when I seen that my eyebrows were not waxed or arched, I was like, dang, you could really see it. So, you know, I had to bring out the tweezers, y'all, because we wasn't finna go out without the clean brows. That's what we not gonna do, okay? So these brows are very much clean. They hurt a little bit because sister had to pluck some hairs off, but that's okay because this looks really good and clean, and that's what I wanted. That's what I was going for. So I'm going in with the deeper shade. I wish I could pronounce these little names on here, but for now it's gonna be the deeper shade. But the deeper shade, I'm gonna focus more on darkening my brows. And y'all know I like to do my lines to just try to guide me a little more. Look at that. Boom. I'm gonna use my Mary Kay brow pencil to go ahead and just, you know, comb this out, brush it on out. Now I will have to pluck some of my hairs on this side. Like I told y'all, I really cleaned this side up. So I'm gonna have to do the same on this side as well. And I found out the correct concealer you want to be using for under your brows is going to be that 405 in the L'Oreal. The 405 Toffee is the color you should be using to clean up your brows, not the 395, which I was using before. So the 395 I'm going to just stick with as a concealer, but the 405 I will be using as my brows. So, and I did go over my brows like 3 or 4 times, y'all. So yes. And y'all, don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. Don't try to come for my hair because these my Felicia braids. And yeah, I need to do my little twist out. So my little plait out, whatever, braid out. So don't try to come for me, okay? And like I told y'all, I am gonna have to tweeze a little bit because my brows are not as clean as I would like them to be. So I'm gonna have to clean them up, but that's okay. And I am going on top. Y'all, I know concealer is supposed to clean up your brows or whatever. So like if you didn't get your eyebrows arched or waxed, it's supposed to clean it up. But I don't like the way my eyebrows was looking so like wet and flat on my skin. Like I could tell because it was black little spots, and I was like, nah, that's not what we gonna do. If we gonna do it, we gonna do it. We gonna clean them up, we gonna clean them up. And I had to clean them up, sorry. It was no faking that. I didn't like the way they was looking. Like, if you gonna get one thing right, sis, get your brows right. That's what I was telling myself. Like, don't be lazy with the brows, okay? Just do them. If you're gonna do it, do it. So I'm gonna tell y'all the same thing that I just told myself. If you're gonna do it, okay? We only went over it once and they already looking good. Damn. Like, ooh. They are looking really, really good. Ooh. Now we are on our third. And I'm gonna wait for this to dry before I start plucking my hairs off, because you can see like these little black spots right over here. I want them gone. Like, I don't want that at all. So I'm gonna take me a little flat brush and I'm just gonna start to blend this out before it dries, because this concealer does dry pretty quickly. So you wanna do whatever you got to do before it starts to dry on you. And make sure y'all invest in some good tweezers. Don't get the dollar store tweezers. Like, try to get some tweezers from like TJ Maxx or Ross that's probably like $5.99 with like 3 in a pack, because it comes with like different types, you know, different arches of tweezers. Like, these are just straight, but they got more curved ones, they got the flat ones, and you got all different ones. So you could use one to pluck, you could use one for your lashes. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got different variety. So make sure y'all get one of those. And I like the quality of these too. I got these from TJ Maxx and they was $5.99. And it was like 3 in a pack, so maybe even 4 in a pack. Y'all, it's literally a little piece right here that's really bothering me, that it don't want to get plucked. I don't know why it's playing games like this, but it is. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna let it make me mad. Like, y'all can't see it, but I can see it. I'm gonna pluck it. I'm gonna get it before the night is over. I am coming back for that little piece. Like, so I'm going in with a little more concealer that's like still on my brush, just to like clean up this little piece right here in the front. And I'm gonna brush it back out using that same brush. Like I said, y'all, this is my first time using this product, and I actually really like the way it came on. It was quick and easy to use, like really. Now I'm gonna use the highlight, because we used the lighter shade, we used the deeper shade. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to like clean up my brows a little bit, make it a little more lighter under here. And y'all can see that it's getting lighter. So I won't be using this on the top of my brows, just the bottom to highlight it a little more. And I love the way that that looks. Y'all, I really like this. And like I'm telling y'all, like, this is very creamy, y'all. I gotta go back to TJ Maxx today, because it was only a handful left. And I don't need y'all to be buying all of them out before I could get my hands on some more. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me using the Benefit. This is the 4-in-1 brow contour. And like I told you guys, I really love this. This is a game changer. I probably go back tonight to go get about 4 or 5 of these, because this is so convenient to have in your purse. And my eyebrows are very much snatched from this one product. Like, come on now, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cop me a few more of these, because this is something that you could easily put in your purse. And when you have to do your brows on the go, this is perfect. It already has everything on there. Like I told y'all, it has the lighter shade, the darker shade, the definer, and the highlight, which is kind of like the contour. So make sure y'all check out TJ Maxx, or you can actually get this from probably Ulta as well, because I know that they sell Benefit in Ulta. So make sure y'all check this product out. As always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.